We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
We gave the extraordinary new KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the top chefs from the world-renowned Institute of Culinary Education in New York City and asked them to put it to the toughest tests in their professional kitchens. Watch their reactions.
That was fast.
And that is one of the most powerful blenders I've ever worked with.
The exclusive KitchenAid Diamond Blending System with patented stainless steel blades and 60-ounce patented diamond pitcher design creates a powerful vortex, while the IntelliSpeed motor control automatically adjusts for optimal speed and power.
What I really like about the exclusive diamond blending system is it allows you to blend fresh ingredients packed full of vitamins and nutrients. So creations like this are both healthy and delicious.
Basically, we're getting perfect results with everything.
And just look at the impressive results when the chefs tested it against this professional-style blender. When your blender is this good, there's so much more to make. Like gourmet crepes for breakfast, fresh salads for lunch, delicious soups for dinner, and more. Even healthy smoothies and delicious frozen drinks. Put the Ice Chef-tested KitchenAid Diamond Blender to the test in your kitchen.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach. You know, a big part of enjoying a smoothie is its creamy consistency. That's why nothing spoils the pleasure worse than finding an ice or frozen fruit chunk lurking in it. No matter how small it actually is, it feels like you just hit an iceberg. Of course, ordinary blenders can't help it, since all they really do is just spin the contents around, which can leave whole chunks of ice untouched by the blades. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Blender, with its unique wave action system that draws the mixture down into the blades for smooth results every time, so you'll never have to worry again about the ice chunks. It has 5 blending functions plus pulse and a hands-free pre-programmed smoothie function, all powered by a 700-watt peak power motor that makes short work of ice and frozen fruit. The large glass jar is thermal shock resistant and dishwasher safe. Now that's good thinking.
The Nutri Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.